Do you suspect mold may be hiding in your home? Perhaps there has been water damage, or family members have developed sudden health issues. Your home may even smell moldy. But locating the mold is another issue. Mold can hide. It may be in places such as behind drywall or wallpaper, or paneling. It may grow on top of ceiling tiles or beneath carpet and padding. It may lurk around water pipes, on walls behind furniture where condensation forms, inside ductwork, or in roofing materials as a result of roof leaks or insufficient insulation. Checking for mold takes caution. For example, removing wallpaper can lead to a massive release of spores if there is mold growing underneath the paper. Even dead mold may cause allergic reactions in some people. It is not enough to simply kill the mold. It must be removed. Let's face it. If you believe that you may have mold hiding in your home, it pays to call a pro.